UBP here once again. Back to our own show. We're going home Manila. Next ride, Baguio.
I cannot.
Alright? Sila ang mga batang dapat maging kinabukasan ng bayan. Ewan ko lang kung magkakatotoo pa yan. Dito. Alright. So, sulit ang ride. Sulit ang ride. Magkano ginans natin? All in all.
Hindi ko pa nako-compute, pare.
Yeah! Bago motor ko, pink.
Okay.
So, ano ng kagitingan? And
Ito pare, oras ka na pare.
post ko muna to.
Kasama ko siya sa video. Interview sila.
Sila yung mga dapat pinupuntahan sa Batay.
Tama.
Alright? Ginagawa ko lang silang background.
O sige. Continue.
Alright. So, well, this is like a year-ender ride for UBP in which all of us, the group members, decided to go here in Bataan. But anyways, we're going back home because it's getting late. And we need to drop by San Fernando.
To have some lunch.
But anyways, it was tiring. I see some other bikers out here. They all look good. And take a look at that view. Do you see that view? You won't see that in Marilac. You won't see that in... And you won't see that back there in South. It's only up here north. So, how many minutes do we have there in your video now? 2, 3, 4? Alright. The only thing we don't have in here, up here, food. And we're hungry. And we're going home.